In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a listing on WP Engine WordPress for 2025, step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your listing up and running, seamlessly guiding you through each part of the process. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard hosted on WP Engine. This is the control center for your WordPress site, where you'll manage your plugins and content. If you're setting up a listing or directory for the first time, you'll need the right plugin to help manage and display entries. If a listing plugin isn't already installed, take this opportunity to add one. Some popular options include GeoDirectory and WP Listings, but there are numerous options available that might better suit your needs. To install your chosen plugin, navigate to Plugins in the menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type the name of your desired plugin. Once it pops up, click Install, and after a moment, the button will switch to Activate. Click on it to make the plugin fully operational. After activation, you'll notice a new entry on your dashboard menu, typically named after the plugin you've just installed. Now let's go to the plugins dashboard or menu, which might be under something like Listings. Look for an option to Add New, which will allow you to start creating your first listing. Begin by entering your listing details. This is crucial, as well thought out details can greatly enhance your listing's appeal. Start with the title or name of your listing, which should be catchy and concise. In the description section, provide detailed information about what is being listed. Be clear and engaging, as this is where potential clients or users will get the bulk of their information. Right below, you'll find categories or types. Use these to classify your listing appropriately for better visibility and organization. Including images or a gallery makes your listing more attractive and trustworthy. Select high-quality images that accurately represent what's listed. Moving on, include thorough address and contact information. This assures your audience that they can reach out effortlessly with questions or for more information. While still in the plugin settings, look for additional options that you can configure. These might include pricing and fees, if applicable, and ratings and reviews to enhance trustworthiness. Also, don't forget to add relevant tags or keywords to increase your listing's searchability. With your details filled, it's time to click Publish to make your listing visible to the world. But don't stop there. Let's ensure it's showcased properly on your site. To do this, you'll want to create a dedicated listing page. Go to Pages and select Add New. Name this page something straightforward like Listing